So here we will see the Firebase new migration, right? Okay. So here is our code of front end and back end. Both I have already provided. You can pick this code from my GitHub, and there are two functions. First one is for React Native side front end, and second one is for our back end. This is simple a Node.js code, and this is a simple JS code for React Native. So in the migration website, you can just search on the Google Firebase FCM new migration. So this migration is for security purpose, for sending the notification to the mobile apps. Previously, we are using that thing FCM send, and just this got changed with this thing, and there is a okay, yeah. And second one is we are using a barrier root token now, and previously we are using our server key, but now we are using our auth token, Google Access token, and here is our function which we will get auth token, and then we pass auth token to the our function. And so just look at the code and just understand how it's working. So here I am getting the access token from the backend, okay, and accessing it. Yeah, you can simply do this like get the access token from the backend and store in the local, okay, and you can use with that also. And then after the get the access token, we can pass as the barrier token. Here is our link URL. So in, in place of project ID, you have to put your project ID, and there is my project, and you can see here this is your project ID. So you have to put in place of that thing, that is string project ID, and other will be same. Just you have to change two things. First one is access token, and second one is project ID, simple. And there is a function called generate access token. It will be work on the backend side. So yeah.